When I came home from Iraq, not once did it occur to me that I needed to train my body out of a combat zone the same way I had to train my body in. So it just never clicked. That idea never occurred at any moment in time. And so since you got to begin somewhere to armor down, I think the best place to begin is the place where you're holding most of your armor, the shoulders. So when you're wearing 70 pounds, 50 plus pounds of body armor on top of your body, just imagine how your body has to respond to compensate for that load. I've been talking about on Twitter how much it impacted my ability to sleep, my ability to sit still, just my overall sense of wellness or well-being. I was always in a sense of discomfort. So why the inhale up, exhale the shoulders down? Well, there's two reasons. First is you're bringing motion into the scapula where it hasn't been before. Second, you're practicing a fundamental of armor down that will be the foundation of the rest of the training. Breathing. Now the military teaches you how to take care of your equipment. What does the military teach you to do right after you use your equipment? Right after you use your Humvee? Right after you fire your weapon? What do they teach you how to do? They teach you how to break it down and clean it. That's ingrained from day one. You need to clean the equipment in order to make sure that it works well when you need it. In the civilian world, that same rule applies. You need to take care of your equipment so that it performs well when you need it. Only in the civilian world, your equipment isn't necessarily a firearm or a Humvee. Your equipment are your arms, your mind, your hips, your whole body. Now, unlike a firearm, I have mine with me. H&K USP 45. Bought it right after AIT. Unlike a firearm, which you can break down into pieces to clean, you cannot break down your arms to clean. You can't break apart your shoulders to clean. So the breath, for this first week, the breath is the cleaning. When you inhale, you're bringing that which your body needs the most of into your body. And when you're exhaling, you're sending out the stuff that you don't need. So this gets more sophisticated over time, but in the beginning, it's very simple, very fundamental. So what I've been doing while I was doing the dishes was simply expanding my body on the inhale, raising my scapulas, and then exhaling, calming my mind, calming my body. Excuse me. So week one is all about beginning to understand the relationship of breathing and how it impacts the shoulders. And then recognizing that the shoulders are the place where the tension of body armor is held. So your first step to armor down is to begin recognizing that you can have a positive influence on your body, and that doing simple things like just the dishes can actually turn into something that will help you get better at relaxing and getting rid of all that alien trash, all that crap that has built up under the body armor, under all that pressure. You're beginning the process of getting rid of it, and you're developing a foundation that will be invaluable to you as you continue this process. This was week 1 of Armored Down. I'll see you next week.